Kosher Reverse Mortgage. Welcome to the Industry Leader Update, brought to you by Reverse Focus. In my recent discussions with Jack Gutentag, or the mortgage professor, he mentioned a new product that he had been quietly developing, the Kosher Reverse Mortgage. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with the term kosher, it can mean a product or food that has been certified as acceptable, meeting particular requirements, often religious. Now, last week, Mr. Gutentag outlined the particulars of the kosher program. First, he begins with the need for specific HECM certification of reverse mortgage professionals, and I couldn't agree more. Today, those seeking to enter the reverse mortgage space are required to pass the national NMLS and state-specific tests, which are mostly centered on traditional mortgage lending practices. And typically, the national exams have 0 or 1 or 2 HECM-specific questions. As the HECM is a complex financial product being offered to a protected class who can ill afford a financial misstep, a HECM-specific certification would go a long way in protecting both the consumer and our industry's reputation. So here are just a few highlights of the mortgage professor's Kosher Reverse. 1. Loan officers would make efforts to counter the bias toward excess cash withdrawals and rather stress the importance of a long-term plan. 2. Develop a plan based on a combination of cash withdrawals, monthly payments, and/or a credit line, factoring in the borrower's existing assets and savings. 3. Offer a variety of loan options with varying combinations of upfront charges and interest rates. 4. Advise the borrower on the advantage of using the HECM as a long-term solution, which will moderate the cost of the combination of interest rates, insurance, and closing costs over time. 5. Develop a unique and thoughtful plan for each applicant. 6. Provide transparency, allowing the borrower to monitor pricing and the interest rate of their application at any time. And lastly, number 7, provide price lock protection. The price lock would be the intended quote that the pricing would be there on their lock day, and that's very similar to what traditional mortgage lending offers today. The mortgage professor contends the Kosher Reverse Mortgage would eliminate unanticipated surprises, offer options for future funds in the borrower's best interest, provide competitive and transparent pricing, and lastly, provide pricing protection with a lock. Now, what is appealing is the focus on our approach versus product design. All future HECM product variations will have very little positive impact until we prepare and mandate a clear and detailed holistic approach to reverse mortgage origination industry-wide. Now, new products may offer a different twist on the program, but without a strategic and professional planning approach, it will not go much further in advancing the interest of our industry and, most importantly, the borrowers that we serve. Now, please share your thoughts on the Kosher HECM program below and have a fantastic week.